So, Bournemouth 0. Mikel Arteta, Super Mick Arteta's Arsenal. He knows exactly what we need. Three straight wins. 3 straight wins for the first time since 04-05. The process has banged. We were superb, people. We were superb. 3 straight games, 3 straight wins. First time since 04-05, which was, by the way, when we actually had a great team. Just come off the back of the Invincibles. Nobody could get near us. Antonio Reyes, Bergkamp, Henry, Vieira. Unbelievable team, by the way. And big up to everybody who's watched the watch along. Make sure you check out the fan cams. Jez, Kenny. Kenny's fan cam's already active. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you check out Jez's fan cam. Subscribe to Jez's channel. The link is in the description of his video. Make sure you check that out. Brandon and Matt are coming up soon. We've got player ratings coming out small hours of the morning because I'm going to do a watch along for the boxing. So keep your eyes peeled. You won't get notifications, so you're just going to have to search the channel because they only throw free notifications out in 24 hours. But I will do a Nusek AJ watch along, so keep your eyes peeled for that as well, people. And yeah, I need to hurry up, so I'm going to stop waffling. But 3 goals, clean sheet, centre back scoring a worldie, and he could be the best signing of the summer, even though we signed him 3 summers ago. He could be the missing link in that defense that we've needed for a long, long time, because he takes us levels. He's so composed, Saliba. He's such a good footballer, man. He's got every attribute to succeed and become one of the greatest centre-backs in the world in this era. Yeah, and that's not me just going reactionary and, oh my God, you've had a couple of beers. Cheers, guys. Ray Parlour voice. But that is actually me going, do you know what? I can see you're a great footballer. Never looks rushed. Never looks out of position. Reading the game 100. So comfortable on the ball. Wins headers. Yeah, he's imposing. He's intimidating. He's aggressive. But he's aggressive at the right times. He knows when to stand off. Actually, I'm not going to dive in. I'm going to stand off. You can't teach that, man. You've either got it or you ain't. Yeah, William Saliba, big up to you, my friend. Big up to you. You have been absolutely superb. And off of the back of scoring an own goal, which was kind of unfortunate last week as well, by the way, because the spin took it in. He's come back this week and boom, what a goal. Best goal of the game. Like one of the best goals I've seen this weekend, by the way. And I've seen all the goals this weekend so far. What a performance. Martin Odegaard, Gibraltar Guard is no more. Null and void, obsolete. Gibraltar Guard is obsolete. He is now Bournemouth Guard. He's my man of the match, by the way. I thought he was absolutely fantastic. I thought he run the game from start to finish. The energy. Forget all the stats about running and kilometers and all of that. Mesut Ozil used to do all of that rubbish. Yeah, it was just, oh, I'm just not going to keep still. I'm just going to keep jogging. With this guy, one thing I will give him credit for is he is not just jogging. He is actually pressing with intent. So big up to him. Big up to him. The first goal, Gabriel Jesus. The little sparkle, the stardust. Salt Bay settings. We've got a little bit of stardust in that front line. When Bukayo Saka's not hitting the level, when Martinelli's not hitting the level, boom, up steps Jesus. That's not taking nothing away from both of the other two, by the way, because I thought everyone today was sick. Everyone was sick. Yeah, literally, we're going to do player ratings, me and Jez, in a little bit. Every single one of them was sick today. So that's not dissing anyone else, but that was Henry-esque. By jinking past 4 or 5 players, I thought he was actually going to finish it. That was like Liverpool at Highbury. Nah, we ain't losing today. One of them ones. Boom. I'm going to score the goal. And Martinelli, bounce back, bang. Odegaard in the box. Who knew? Big up for watching my streams, my friend. Get in the box more, bro. Get in the box, because if you actually get in the box, you will score goals. And that is all I want you to do, is score goals. It's all well and good having pretty passes. It's all well and good having pretty veneers, pretty hairdo. Yeah. Nice, pretty touches and looking cool and having XG and XA and all of that. I don't care. Score goals, bro. Today, that is the best performance I've seen him have for Arsenal. Real talk. He's had some good performances for Arsenal. Don't get it twisted. Today, that was the best performance I've seen him have for Arsenal since he joined us on loan nearly a year ago. Well, what, a year and a half ago? That is the best performance I've seen him have. From start to finish, I thought he was superb before he obviously went off. Yeah, I thought he was absolutely quality. And he kept us ticking. He gave us the energy. And that made, and if you look at the goal that Jesus had disallowed, look at the way we're all pressing. We're all four of them pressing. You win the ball high up, you suffocate them, you overload them, and bang. Yes, it was offside, cool, but that's what I want to see more. And yes, we should have won the first 3 games, but there's been times where we should have won the first 3 games, or we should have won 3 games. Palace, Brighton, Southampton, etc., 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 and we haven't. This season looks slightly different. We've got that little bit of sparkle. Zinchenko, great performance. Thomas Partey, we need to wrap that boy up in cotton wool. Real talk, because I thought he was brilliant today. Apart from getting skinned once on the right wing, which I'm nitpicking at, but it was such a sick skill. He just done him. And other than that, I thought Thomas Partey was sick. Benjamin Shite. Yes, I do not like this footballer. I do not like Granit Xhaka. Both of them today. Clip that and put that on your Twitter profiles. Oh, Lee Gunner said this. Yeah, clip that. Because you're quick to clip when I'm negative, apparently, in your little pea brains, your amoeba brains. Yeah, now clip that. All I've asked for is for what we're seeing now. Be at it. Play as a team. Score goals. Defend properly. Great. 3 wins out of 3. Now do that for the next 35. Keep going. Maybe not win all games, because you ain't going to win all the games. But put me in a title challenge, and I'll be the first person to stand up at the end of the season if we've gone all the way to the final month in a title challenge and say, do you know what? I got it wrong. This guy can lead us forward. This manager can be the guy. 3 games, praise where it's due, credit where it's due. Put me in a title challenge all season. That's all I want. You've spent enough money. We've outspent Liverpool for 4 years straight. Put me in a title challenge, mate. Yeah, today, every single player to a man can walk off of that pitch and say, yo, I played well today. I played well. Every single player. The substitutions when they came on, little bit hit and miss, but the first 11 we know is the first 11 that is decent. It's very good. But after that, that's where we're kind of lacking. And I think we see that again today with the substitutions. But that's not taking nothing away from anyone, because I feel today we were superb. And I think that was our best performance. It's not our best. I thought Leicester was better because Leicester are a better team, even though we conceded. But that was levels above the Crystal Palace game. Levels above the Crystal Palace game. Today, I don't think was as good as Leicester, but I feel more players played well today than the players that played against Leicester, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Collectively, we were more of a team today, but I expect that. Listen, they're not great. They've just been promoted. They're struggling. They're trying, etc., etc. Yeah, big up to every single one of that squad today. Big up to the manager. Big up to the away fans as well, by the way, because they have to sing their heart out. After seeing Tottenham fluke their way through a first half, which they did, because Wolves should have been 5-0 up. But then the second half, they should have been 5-0 up. And then Harry Kane, the little sparkle, the stardust. We've got our own stardust, people. We've got Gabriel Jesus. We've got Martinelli. We've got Saka. We've got 3 stardusts. They've got 3. The difference is their 3 are a lot more experienced in this league than our 3. And when one don't do it, or even if none of their 3 do it, they ultimately pop up and still score. That's where I need to see us now go forward. We're taking steps. So far, so good. Big up. Yeah, big up. Martin Odegaard, man of the match by a country mile. Yeah, Bournemouth card. Big up to everyone who's watched this. Stick a like on the video. Go and check Kenny Ken's fan cam out. Go and check Jez's fan cam out. Matty and Brandon's coming. Player ratings are coming. And then I'm doing a watch along for the Usyk fight as well against AJ. So leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. We're out of here. Still Arteta out, by the way. Adios, amigos.